Friends, the Earth reminds us of its unpredictable force once again with a strong earthquake that has affected several Central American nations. This seismic event occurred on the morning of January 5th, 2025, shaking El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. Seismic detectors have recorded a 6.4 magnitude earthquake, with an epicenter located 65 kilometers south of the port of La Libertad in El Salvador in the Pacific Ocean. This earthquake had a depth of 32 kilometers, which generated significant vibrations that were widely felt in the aforementioned regions. In El Salvador, the images captured show scenes of panic in supermarkets and public spaces, with fallen products and slightly affected structures. Although no fatalities have been reported so far, the population remains alert for possible aftershocks. This tremor was also felt in Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua, where some communities reported moderate movements that generated alarm among the inhabitants. At least 6 aftershocks have been recorded in the same area of the quake, with magnitudes between 3.8 and 4.8, according to Salvadoran authorities, who did not immediately report any victims or material damage. The tremor was also felt in 9 of Guatemala's 22 departments, including the capital, according to the National Coordinator for Disaster Reduction of that country, which indicated that no damage was reported to people or structures. The National Coordinator for Disaster Reduction of Guatemala, which recorded the quake with its epicenter on the Salvadoran coast with a magnitude of 6.2, called on the population to remain calm and to be prepared with a 72-hour backpack. The authorities have issued a reminder about the importance of being prepared for seismic emergencies, keeping emergency backpacks, meeting points, and moving away from vulnerable structures during an earthquake. I hope this information is useful. Remember to subscribe to our channel to stay informed.